So guys, welcome to Faizan Zahid Academy official YouTube channel, and today's video is about Sapienza University of Rome online application form, as this university has opened admissions for 2024. So go to Google, write Sapienza University of Rome admission 2024 and 2025. Click on this first link and you can see the interface like this. So here you have to scroll down and click on application process. Okay, so now you have to click on complete pre-selection application. After that, you can see the interface like this. So if you are first time on this website, you have to register first. Click on register. Here you have to put your email which you want to use for registration, and here you have to set your password, then confirm your password, again rewrite your password, and your first name, last name, and passport number. Okay, so be careful while writing your these data here, and after that select yes or no from these sections, and after that simply click on register. So after clicking on register, you can see the interface like this. Click on start application. So after start application, you can simply click on start. Okay, here. So now now you can see the interface like this. So select on program choice. Okay, and after that select on do you need a visa? Yes. Program type. If you are going for masters, click on masters, and program, select the program in which you want to apply. Okay, for example, I want to apply in artificial intelligence and robotics. So I clicked and select your nationality. Okay, do you have any other nationality? If you have any second nationality, you can click on yes and provide details, otherwise no. And current country of your residence. Okay, so select your intake. (2024) visa and save. Be careful while doing registration on this university, because some programs require IELTS. So if there will be any need of IELTS in any program, you will have to provide IELTS. Okay, otherwise you can provide simply proficiency. So go to next step. Here you have to provide your personal details. Okay, your all details you can provide here. You have to upload your passport, your email is already written here because we added when we were doing registration. So here if there will be any interview about this program, so what platform you want to choose to appear in the interview, so you can choose any one of these three. For example, I want to choose Google Meet. And video conferencing ID, here you have to provide your Google Meet ID. Simple. Okay, here you have to provide your contact number, your address, your current city, and your current postal code of your current city. Here you have to choose the embassy or consulate where you want to file your visa, and then save. After saving, click on next. So here you have to provide your language details, your mother tongue. First you have to add your mother tongue here, and then here you have to provide your English language level. Okay, and here you have to upload your English language certificate. If there is IELTS required, you have to provide the IELTS. If not, you can simply provide English language proficiency. Then save and next. So here you have to provide your educational details. High school, here high school means 12th grade education. So in Pakistan, 12th grade education, we say the intermediate or college level education. So you have to provide the name of your college, and here you have to upload your degree certificate and transcript. In your educational diploma, non-Italian diploma, here you have to provide your full scale and obtained scale. So in scale you will select first the total scale 100, and here you have to select what is the obtained GPA or percentage, we say, from overall 100. Okay, so number of school years should be 12, because in Pakistan it's college level education, so we select 12. Higher education, you have to provide your bachelor's degree details. Okay, so BE electrical engineering, and also the original language of our degree is in English, so we have to write in English. Bachelor's degree, legal duration 4 years, institution, country, Pakistan. Here you have to choose your institution. If your institution is not in the list, you can simply click on other. You can write other, and then you can simply click on other option. Okay, so after filling the data, educational system, non-diploma. If you have completed your degree, simply click on yes. If your degree is not completed, you can provide the expected graduation date. If your degree is completed, simply write your graduation date. Select your graduation date. Okay, your GPA and your overall scale means your overall GPA. Upload your transcripts and the grading scale here. And field of studies, as our degree is engineering, so we select engineering and technology. If you have been any in exchange program, you can select yes and provide detail, otherwise no. If you have any higher education you want to add, you can select add higher education, okay, by clicking on this, otherwise save and next. Okay, so here you have to provide your professional details. This is a demo form, just I want to teach you, so that's why I am just showing how to fill it. So if you have any experience, you can select yes and provide details, and here you have to provide CV. Okay, so I select on no, and just save and go next. Okay, but you have to fill properly according to your original details and data, according to your experience. Okay, here you have to provide your motivation. Okay, that why you are applying for this program. Okay, so be careful about this section, and also you have to take care of the limits as well. Okay, so after motivation, you have to select that from where you did know about this university. Okay, you can select any platform from where you get to know. For example, I want to write YouTube. Okay, so select other YouTube, and then simply save and next. So here you have to provide the recommendation or your referee details. So how you can provide your recommendation? Simply click on add referee. Here you have to provide your professor's detail. So your professor will get an email, and by that email he or she can recommend you. So be careful while you are providing his or her data, and he or she should be from your previous educational institute. Okay, and your and the email of email should be the official email of institute. Okay, so after putting detail, you can simply click on save and click on send email. So you will see the interface like this. Then again click on send email. Okay, after clicking on send email, he or she will receive an email, and then he or she can recommend you. Okay, so after this step you can go next, and here you have to provide application fee details. Click on this link and simply uh, you can pay your application fee here. So this university has application fee of 30 euros. Okay, so be careful while applying in this university because it's a high ranked university. Okay, after that upload the payment receipt here simply and go next. Save and go next. So now this is the final step. Here you have to check all these points. Okay, and after checking all these, simply save and do final submission. So your form has been submitted. Okay, so this was our today's video. Thanks for watching.